You also said something about like the building that you got from your church. You paid them $2,500 and they became the bank essentially. So it was seller financing.
Correct.
How exactly do you structure a deal like that? Because me personally, I'm actually trying to get more into that in the wholesale side of things. And I know there's a lot of people that want to get into that kind of side of deal instead of just being a cash offer. How did you structure that?
I think everybody's got different talents. I'm extremely unorganized, but what I have been gifted with is being creative, just like you are. You're a creator. You create content, you create deals, right? I've been gifted with being creative, and inside of that is deal structure. And a lot of times people look at deal structure in a single dimension. You know, it's black or white. It's a $400,000 purchase price, or it's on the MLS. You know, I've seller financed deals that were on the MLS. This warehouse that I'm in right now was on the MLS. They wanted a normal cash buy, but the way I structured it and was able to educate the seller and all those things kind of combined, and the seller was helpful with me and he understood my needs, and all those things really allowed us to, you know, ended up taking a deal that was on market and seller financing.